and heave. Time to bring out the big guns.
Gotta keep these pearly whites shining for the big harvest.
Excuse me, ladies, just coming through for the morning delivery.
Enjoy your lunch, buddy. You earned it for being such a brave patient.
Cooking like a pro. Who wants a taste of perfection?
A brand new day begins at the Golden Harvest Farm.
Gear 1, Gear 2, let's see what this baby can do!
Look out, world! The fastest farmer in town is coming through!
Free shower. Now that's what I call a refreshing work day.
Uh-oh. I think I'm gonna need a much bigger umbrella.
Look out, world! The fastest farmer in town is coming through! Look out, world! The fastest farmer in town is coming through!
Don't worry, Daisy. Your best friend is almost there.
Hang on tight. We're gonna get you out of this sticky situation. Cooking like a pro. Who wants a taste of perfection?
2, H-E-E-V. You've been eating too many clover snacks, Daisy.
Help! I'm sinking faster than a stone in a milkshake!
See? We make the best team. Let's get you home for a warm bath.
Okay, plan A, I pull. Plan B, we both try not to giggle while I pull.
A little scratch won't stop a brave cow like you. Let me fix that right up.
Always be prepared. One sparkly bandage coming right up for the hero of the farm.
Feel better? Nothing beats a warm hug to wash the rainy blues away.
Whoa, look at all these puddles. The farm looks like a giant water park today. Step, jump, and avoid the mud. Time to find the sweetest treats in the garden.
Chop, chop, chop. Precision is the secret ingredient.
Careful now. One for the basket, and maybe. None for me yet. Must resist the snack.
Careful now. 1 hop, 2 hop. Don't drop the breakfast.
1, 2, H-E-E-V. You've been eating too many clover snacks, Daisy.
Splish, splash, I'm taking a great bath. Squeaky clean is the only way to cook.
Breakfast is served. The ultimate berry boost for a long day at the farm.
Stay hydrated, little veggies. Grow big and strong for the next harvest. Wakey, wakey! The sun is up and the tractor is waiting.
Concentration is key. First, we farm. Then, we feast.
Time to bring out the big wheels. Let's get this harvest moving.
Captain Joe at the helm, clearing the way for the Cabbage crew.
1 cabbage here, 2 cabbages there. Ooh, this basket is getting heavy.
Precision is everything. Only the finest greens for our dinner tonight.
Found a big one. This is the prize of the whole field. Found a big one. This is the prize of the whole field.
A new day on the farm. Let's see what's growing in the cabbage patch today.
1 cabbage, 2 cabbages. Almost ready for market.
Nothing beats fresh forest berries. Now I'm ready for some serious work.
1 cabbage, 2 cabbages. Almost ready for market.
Stay hydrated, my little orange friends. Grow big and sweet for me.
Looks like our little feathered friend is going on a muddy adventure.
You know, farming is much better with a partner like you. Jackpot! These grapes look like giant purple pearls. Into the basket you go.
Stay hydrated, little buddy, and we have a lot of cooking to do.
Today is the big harvest day. Quack! Smelling good. A little bit of sunshine in every stir.
Quack, quack.
The water is just right.
Presentation is everything.
Voila!
A masterpiece.
Bon appetit!
Stay hydrated, my little orange friends. Grow big and sweet for me.
Oh no, little guy. You're all soaked and muddy. Let me help you.
Toby! Nothing but net. We're back in business, folks.
Oh boy, it's harvest day. Time to get the big red beast rolling.
I'm a lean, mean, orange-picking machine.
Look at all those beauties! We're gonna need a bigger trailer.
Oh no. The great orange storm of the century has struck. What a sticky mess.
Gotcha! You're the MVP of this orchard.
Check out this haul. That's what I call a fruitful morning. Hold on to your peels. It's an orange natto.
A banned orange shift. I've got to get home before I turn into a wet monkey.
Whoa! Talk about a heavy harvest.
Oh no. The great orange storm of the century has struck. What a sticky mess.
The orchard is a lake. It's going to take a miracle, or a very determined monkey, to save this harvest.
Wait! I can't just stand here getting my fur wet. It's time for some monkey business.
You want another bite? This cabbage is so crunchy.
Nice and easy. Into the basket you go, my little vitamin C treasures.
Pivot, lift, and heave.
There we go, the path is almost clear.
Over the branches and through the mud, no orange left behind.
Nice and easy. Into the basket you go, my little vitamin C treasures.
What a wonderful day! Can't wait for tomorrow's adventure.
And the best part of the job? The taste test. Sweet, juicy victory.
Stirring up some sunshine, almost ready for the grand tasting. Ta-da! The masterpiece is served. Who's ready for a zesty treat?